Breastfeeding moms will now have a legit excuse to get out of jury duty in New York State after the legislature passed a bill allowing them to delay the obligation for up to 2 years. Governor Cuomo is expected to sign the legislation sponsored by Bronx Democrat Assemblyman Marcos Crespo. So the question is, did lawmakers do the right thing? Let's ask tonight's A-plus panel. We're joined by Republican strategist Allison Young. Great to see you, Allison.
Hey, thanks, Bill.
And immigration attorney, slightly to my political left, Afia Yunus. Good to see you, Afia.
You too, Bill.
All right, Allison, I'll start with you. Sounds like this was already an excuse that you could use to get out of jury duty. I'm surprised they needed a law.
You know, the thing about breastfeeding, Bill, is that it doesn't make moms uncomfortable, it makes everyone else uncomfortable. So there are so many indignities about breastfeeding, the noise the pump makes, the things you have to carry around, the constant cleaning and refrigerating and everything. If we can make something like jury duty a little bit easier for breastfeeding moms, New York is doing the absolute right thing.
What do you think, Afia? But why not just allow them to bring the baby in?
I don't know that bringing a newborn baby into a courtroom is the best solution. I think this is the best thing to do.
Better idea.
And any mom who's watching who's breastfed knows that to go 8, 9, sometimes 10 hours without your baby or without access to a pump is horrendous and extremely painful. So I think this is the best thing possible.
Saying that, though, I go back to my original point. It would seem to me that you could present a hardship to the judge to get out of jury duty anyway. Is this just political grandstanding so they can say, see, we're championing all these breastfeeding moms? Sounds like politics to me.
You know what, Bill? I truly, as a former breastfeeding mom, don't care. If it means that you can have access to your baby to her pump and not serve jury duty, then it's the right thing. And let's remember that it hasn't even been a year since breastfeeding in public was only made legal in all 50 states. So we still have a long way to go. This isn't political grandstanding, it's the right thing to do.
Afia, so whether it is or it isn't, are we continuing to diminish the pool of qualified jurors? It seems like it's all about getting out of it. I've been trying to get on a jury now for going on 20 years, and I have never been picked.
Someone select Bill because he desperately wants to be selected. I don't know why. But I think there's tons of people out there. I mean, the qualifications are it's over 18 and a U.S. citizen. So I think there's a huge pool. And to go back to the breastfeeding moms, I think here it just gets rid of the having to go in the morning and having to explain yourself and wait. I know you've never been through this, but you have to sit in the waiting room for hours and hours and hours. So.
Well, no, I have. I get all the way into the courtroom. Oh. And then I get
the golden ticket.
Get rid of that guy.
Yeah, and they're not getting out of their duty, Bill. It's only a 2-year reprieve, so they'll still get called again.
Fair enough. Okay, thanks, guys.